Hello YouTube, this is my friend who is going to hide her face. She doesn't want you to see her. And this is her garden. Look at what she's been able to do. You know, a lot of us complain that we don't have any soil, it's all concrete. What's this?
Citrus.
Okay, so citrus smells good though.
And I mix them up.
And this is soursop. And what do you have in this?
Ginger,
turmeric. What's another one? Onions.
Peanuts.
Peanuts, wow. Peanuts. What's this one?
Ginger.
That's ginger. So you have a lot of ginger.
Yes, ginger.
So this is ginger too?
Yeah. This is ginger from Dubai.
Ginger from Dubai, of all the places.
China.
You should get ginger from China.
Pomegranate seedlings.
Pomegranate. Wow. What's this one?
Peanuts.
Peanuts. And then let's go to the big heavy hitters, okay? So here, what's this one?
Pepper.
Pepper.
Beetroot, turnips, broccoli, passion fruit.
Broccoli. This is broccoli from my Chinese friends. God forgive me. What's
Passion fruit.
Passion fruit. I need to get that one. I need to be more passionate than I am. Look at okra. Look at one single okra.
I'm leaving that to
What's this one? Pomegranate. Yeah, I have pomegranate. Does yours have thorns?
No.
Mine, I have the one that's fruiting has thorns. The one that's not fruiting doesn't have thorns.
You didn't realize you are.
What's this?
This is aubergine.
Aubergine. You have to be French to like this kind of stuff. You know, fruits they have to vegetables or fruits you have to pronounce with funny names. Aubergine. Still not getting Arabico. Who sent you? And what are these?
Bell pepper.
Bell pepper. And she's growing it in water, no soil. What's this one?
Ghost pepper.
Goat or ghost? Ghost. Yeah, who? I beg. Nigerians don't like ghost, so don't mention ghost, I beg.
And bell peppers.
Bell peppers. And I know this one.
Yeah.
What's it called?
Miracle leaf.
What's this one?
Aubergine.
Aubergine again. This aubergine, if they like say something, they do you aubergine.
No, so I transplanted it and moved it. Okay. This is citrus. I have garlic on the side and beetroot.
And that beets. I want beets.
Sunflower.
My favorite non-flower.
No, it grows.
They grow easily in Jos. We had a lot of it. And this is passion fruit.
No,
I have
dragon fruit.
Dragon fruit, but like dragon. I have this one. I called it name. I like passion better, but dragon. I've never seen the fruit. So when mine fruits, I'll definitely do a video to show you. And then she has a raised bed and she grows a bunch of different things in it. So for those of you who think that you need to have soil to have a garden, this is someone correcting. Is that sugar cane?
Yes.
Good.
Great God.
This thing has medicinal properties, you know that, right?
Fantastic.
It has medicinal properties.
That's a bitter.
Oh, there's a sweet one, there's a bitter one. This one. You see that one in the back there? That's a bitter one. But it has medicinal properties.
Yeah,
is that sugar cane?
Yeah.
Look at this. Sugar cane. Say it again. Sugar cane. Wow, I'm amazed. So you cannot say that you cannot do gardening. So I'll post this as a short. So hi, say hello to everybody.
Hello.
Hi, that's my fine friend.